Seated Mermaid on chair. So you're gonna start with one heavy spring. From here, you're gonna turn and face the profile of your chair. If your client is beginning with Seated Mermaid, they're just gonna keep their knees bent. The advancement is hooking your leg closest to the pedal on top. Okay, leg closest to pedal on top, legs are extended. You have to be able to sit in a tall posture. If your client is here and pulling back, bend their knees so they can find their length in their lumbar. Crossing your feet, reaching your right hand, right leg, right hand toward pedal, left hand is overhead. Inhale, exhale, you're gonna find your flexion, lateral flexion side. Inhale, bring it back up. Exhale, finding that curve. Inhale, reaching up and over a barrel, feeling your obliques work super hard. Finding the length, inhale, finding the length at the top, and then release all the way down, and that is your Seated Mermaid on chair.